9 raised to the power x minus 5 upon 4 raised to the power x minus 8 is equal to 144. We have to find the value of x. Now there is an identity when a raised to the power m minus n, this we can write it as a raised to the power m upon a raised to the power n. So using this identity, we can write 9 raised to the power x minus 5 as 9 raised to the power x upon 9 raised to the power 5. Then this bar means division, so we write division, and then 4 raised to the power x minus 8 as 4 raised to the power x upon 4 raised to the power 8 is equal to 144, or 9 we can write it as 3 raised to the power 2 then whole raised to the power x, then upon 3 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power 5. Division gets converted into multiplication. 4 we can write it as 2 raised to the power 2 then whole raised to the power 8, and upon 2 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power x. We convert division into multiplication, the number after that gets inverted, is equal to 144, or it is 3 raised to the power 2x, because when a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n, it is equal to a raised to the power m times n. So it will be 3 raised to the power 2x, and we can switch it with upon 2 raised to the power 2x, then times 2 raised to the power 16 upon 3 raised to the power 10 is equal to 144. Again, when a raised to the power m upon b raised to the power m, we can write it as a upon b whole raised to the power m. Therefore, here we can write 3 upon 2 whole raised to the power 2x. Now we send this number to right hand side. It is here multiplication, so it will be 144 divided 2 to the power 16 upon 3 to the power 10, or 3 upon 2 whole raised to the power 2x is equal to 144, then times 3 to the power 10 upon 2 to the power 16. When we factorize 144, 12 times 12 is 144. We can break down 12 into 2 times 3, and this 12 also 2 times 3. So 144 we can write it as 2 to the power 4 times 3 to the power 2. So 3 upon 2 whole raised to the power 2x is equal to 2 to the power 4 times 3 to the power 2 times 3 to the power 10 upon 2 to the power 16, or 3 upon 2 whole to the power 2x is equal to, now using the identity a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n, it is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. So we can add the two exponents here where the bases are same. So it will be 3 raised to the power 10 plus 2, then upon 2 to the power 4 we can also write it as times 1 upon 2 to the power minus 4, because negative exponent means a to the power negative exponent means 1 upon a raised to the power m. So when we write 1 upon a raised to the power minus m, it is equal to a to the power m. So it will be 2 upon 16 times 2 to the power minus 4. So here also we can add the negative 4 using this identity, or 3 upon 2 whole to the power 2x is equal to 3 to the power 12, and 16 plus minus 4 is 16 minus 4, so 2 to the power 12, or 3 upon 2 whole to the power 2x is equal to 3 upon 2 whole to the power 12. Now there is a rule, if a to the power m is equal to b to the power is equal to a to the power n, and a is not equal to 0 or 1. Here a is 3 upon 2. Therefore, in that case m is equal to n. So that means 2x is equal to 12, or x is equal to 12 upon 2. 2 times 6 is 12. So x is equal to 6. This is our answer. Let's verify this answer. 9 to the power 6 minus 5 upon 4 to the power 6 minus 8. We have to check whether it is equal to 144. So 9 to the power 6 minus 5 is 9 to the power 1, or simply 9. Then times then upon 4 to the power minus 2, and this means it is 9 times 4 to the power 2, and this is equal to 44. 16 times 9 is 144. So LHS is equal to RHS. Answer is verified. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.